Hello everyone, it's 7th January. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. On the first page, we have SIR 2.0 draft rolls. 13% electors deleted in 9 states, 3 union territories. Again, very important for policy perspective. Then we have how Haryana turned around sex ratio at birth, now close to national average. Again, very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have UP draft rolls, SIR deletions highest in Lucknow at 30%, lowest in Lalit. Again, very important for policy perspective. Then we have Cookies groups trying consensus on community MLAs joining government. Again, very important for society perspective. Going forward, we have Brazy says BBG, RAMG weakens employment guarantees, activists flag 60-day suspension of work. Again, very important for employment perspective. Then we have as Operation Sindoor paused, India activated lobbies to reach out to Trump admin. Again, very important for defense perspective. Then we have Jharkhand's new PESA rules upsets both BJP and Adivasi outfits. Again, very important for society perspective. Then we have Green Nod validity extension sought for Rattle Hydro project. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Then we have Goa's push for states, hills, lakes, identity protection. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have state response on Indore water deaths. Insensitive says HC. Again, very important for pollution perspective, environment perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have SC shifts on stray dogs is welcome and humane. Again, very important for society and policy and governance perspective. Then we have Indore water contamination deaths, what lies beneath. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have the explain page where we have UAPA's ever widening definition of terrorism. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Then we have Maduro's capture its blow to China's influence and a signal on Taiwan. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the Chinese are using ambiguity on the LAC and unsettled borders as a pressure point against us. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the world page where we have at least 35 killed, 1200 detained in Iran protest. Then we have US takes over Greenland would mark at the end of NATO, says Danish PM. Again, then we have another Hindu businessman killed, traders demand justice in Bangladesh. Again, very important. Then we have Maduro opponent Mercado vows to return to Venezuela. Then lastly, we have government plans ordinance to protect July warriors. All these things are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have India's trade deficit with FTA countries widening, says Niti Aayog. Again, very important for economic perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.